Hey, welcome to Auntie's Cakery. My son is turning 6, and though he doesn't really like cake, he loves candy. So this cake is going to be made with lots of candy on the outside. I'm starting with 3 layers of cake and a delicious vanilla buttercream icing. Get it on there nice and thick and then smooth it out. Scrape off the top with my spatula. And then while the buttercream is still soft, I'm adding sprinkles about halfway up the cake. And now it's time to add the drip. I've got some blue chocolate ganache, and very carefully around the edge, I'll let that warm ganache just drip down that buttercream. This is so satisfying. Then I'll cover almost the entire top. I'm going to leave a space right in the middle for more sprinkles. And a few in the ganache too. Here comes the candy, starting with some gummy sharks. They'll add some Sour Patch Kids right along the bottom. Then it's time to decorate the top. I have a couple starbursts here. My son loves those starbursts. And do what else he loves? Lollipops. Stick a couple of those in there. A few more candies on top. An extra starburst or two. And then sugar candy. Pure sugar. Let's just feed that to a 6-year-old and see how well he sleeps tonight. Last, I'm going to put a jawbreaker that looks like a little monster. It's so cute. Delicious 3 layers of vanilla cake. And just as I expected, he loved the candy. Thank you for watching. Bye.